Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Loft and condo measurements. How to measure, what to measure. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. We're going to talk about condos and apartments in downtown Los Angeles. And when it comes to measuring, that information is true for just about every type of building. How do lofts measure up? Before moving into a loft, condo, or house, prospective new residents will often take measurements with a tape measure to see if their favorite sofa, cabinet, or bed will fit into their new digs. The most important thing to know about property measurements in general is that they vary. The square feet listed with a home for sale or lease should be taken with a grain of salt. In California, sellers, landlords may use just about any kind of measurement in the listing, including county measurement, the city, contractor's measurement, or even just any old estimate of the size. Rooms can be measured from the inside of the wall, outside of the wall, or middle of the wall. Many measurements are simply wrong. Some buildings, like the Shyberry Grand, may actually be larger than the listed measurements. Some sellers and landlords provide floor plans with visual room shapes and measurements, and everyone should take their own measurements. And be sure to double check measurements to make sure that things will fit. Time and materials are both very expensive. Measuring is much faster than fixing mistakes. Measuring accurately is much faster than fixing mistakes caused by bad measurements. Laser measurers are the quick, accurate way to measure most rooms. And as construction professionals always say, measure twice, cut once. Measure twice, cut once. You can request a free floor plan with measurements. Fill out this online form here and get a free floor plan drawing to scale showing the view from above or the relationships between the rooms, spaces, and other physical features of a loft, condo, or house. And let us know if you're thinking of selling a home, buying a home, or something else with a home. Here's a brand new picture of the downtown Los Angeles skyline from Evo Lofts on Grand Avenue. So thanks for joining us to talk about measurements and measuring. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for joining me, and talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.